All right, graph each equation. They're giving us an equation in point slope form. So what we need to do is we need to figure out what was the point they used. And we have to be going through that point, because if we're not, then it can't be the right line. So you see +1 here after x +1. That means that our x coordinate is -1. You should know that by now, since it's actually subtracting the x coordinate. You're seeing it as an opposite sign. And what's the y coordinate? Well, you see -4 there, so they must be subtracting a +4. So before we even look at the slope, which by the way, the slope is -5, and there's a lot of things we could do with that, such as, for example, eliminate b because it doesn't have a negative slope. Let's see which ones go through the point -1, 4. So if you should notice here that the scale is 2 for each one. Every box is equal to 2 units, so that's there to there's 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, etc. for all of these graphs. Okay, so if we're going to -1, 4, we're going to go to -1 halfway between 0 and -2, and up to 4. So that one looks good. A looks good. -1, 4. Nope, can't be C. Let's cross C out. And let's do it again. Here, -1, 4. Nope, doesn't go through it. So it's looking pretty good that it's going to be A. And then let's just check the slope. Let's find a point that they're on. Let's see. What are we on exactly? Well, here we're at, oops, -1 for the y-intercept, which you don't see in the equation because that's not actually written in slope-intercept form. But since we have a slope of -5 or -5/1, let's drop 5 from there. We're already at -1, so we're going to drop all the way down to -6, and then we're going to run 1, which is half a unit over. Let me do that one more time. I'm going to use my laser tool for this actually. So there's -1. So if we drop 5 units, we go 1. Oops, where'd it go? Drop 5 units, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the rise of -5, and the run of 1, boom, puts us right back on the line. Must be it. So we're feeling pretty confident that the answer is A.